they got from Jammu.
Okay, all right. Advocate Chandni Preeti Shah, again, the same question to you. How do you predict Jammu and Kashmir vote is going to sway in whose favor?
See, one should not forget that in 2014, BJP got the second highest number of votes, 25 seats they won. And that was before the abrogation of 370. Now, after the abrogation of 370, as Sumitji also said, that a lot of opportunities opened up for the independent candidates as well. And this is going to impact a lot of vote share for the other regional parties that have been winning on in the valley and in the Jammu regions. Now Kapilji should also upgrade himself, that the same Sonam Wangchuk has given a memorandum to the government at the Rajghat on 2nd of October, where he has praised Narendra Modi also. So this is not something that this issue need not to be politicized, and it would not have an impact on the J&K elections. BJP, somewhere I see, that it would come to retain around 25 to 30 seats in J&K elections this time. NC Congress, I see around 30 to 32 seats. JK PDP around 19 to 20 seats, and other region independent candidates and other parties, I see around 10 to 15 seats. So there is a very fair chance that the BJP would come neck to neck with the NC Congress party alliance, and it would ally with the independent candidates and might form a government. This prediction might come true.
Okay, so again, who forms the government, because they don't have the absolute majority? What are going to be the permutations and combinations that will be played out by the parties? If the BJP were to form government, according to you, if it has gotten 30 to 32 seats, who is the likely party, regional party, that it will look forward to aligning with if it were to form a government?
Well, it's very difficult to say, but still, I would say that JK PC or JK PDP might go with BJP this time also. They could form an alliance.
Okay. All right. Okay, on that note, I thank all of you for joining me on the telecast, sharing your predictions on Expertometer. Stay tuned on NewsX. On the other side, we have our Twitter poll. The results are out, and not to mention, it is the poll of polls. Yes, exit polls. The results are going to be announced shortly on your television screens on NewsX. Thanks for watching.